Hello student, very good morning to all of you. Student, as you know, in your last previous classes, I have started the chapter air and water. In the previous classes, I have completed the properties of air and the topic started the water. Okay, so student, get ready to attend your online class and open your topic water. Today is the 1st of February 2021. Class 4th Science. Student, today I will start your topic. The topic that is air and water. So open your chapter air and water. Topic chapter 12. 12. Air, water and weather. Air, water and WEATHER. Student, in your second unit test, I will take the question from chapter 8, chapter 9, chapter 10, okay, and chapter 11. Syllabus of UT second 2021. Chapter 8 to chapter 11. Okay? Chapter 8 to chapter 11. I will give this message in your WhatsApp group also. Okay? I hope student you are all completed and checked out your book and notebook both. So student, I would like to share a message in the online class that all of you submitted your book and notebook for correction work. Otherwise, the 5 marks which are given to the correction work will be deducted from your annual exam and the half yearly exam. Okay? So be alert, be sincere for correction work and submitted your book and notebook, both student, book and notebook in the school. In any days, submitted it. Correction work is Friday and Saturday. So student submitted it very fast for correction work. Okay. Student, in the previous class, I have completed the chapter air. Okay, air. Okay, I think student, force, work and energy. Your 11th chapter. Sorry. Because 11 is not completed till today. Okay. This is for class 5. I forgot to write in the chapter. So your syllabus will change. I will give in your WhatsApp group. So please wait for your new syllabus. Okay, of UT second. So open your chapter 11, force, work and energy. Force, work and energy. Concept check. All of you open the concept check, page number 160. If you have completed, please ignore this and revise and ready with pencil. Okay. So concept check. First question, choose the correct answer. A. Answer 1. A force when applied on an object can change its direction of motion, shape and size, state of motion, all of these. So all of these. Tick on the all of these. D. Answer 2. A force that attracts all the object toward the center of earth is called the gravity. Hello student, I have completed this topic. A moving ball stop after covering some distance because of heat, cold, friction, rain. Due to the friction. Answer 4. When we rub our hands together, they become warmer. It indicates that friction creates heat. Complete. And now, today I will discuss about the work. Okay, so all of you completed this. Work. 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 When we applied force, effort on an object, when it will move from one place to the another place. When movement is found in an object after applying the force, that is called that work is done. Work is done. Okay. But in science, the term work has a specific meaning. In the term of science, the word work is a specific meaning. There is no work when we applied force also, but there is no changes. Suppose we apply the force on the wall, but there is no movement, no displacement, no changing their shape or size, then it is no work done. But when we suppose this is the marker, and when I put this from this place to this place, this is called the work. Writing with pen, it movement of the pen, that is work done. Reading a book, there is no work. In the term of science student, reading a book is no any work. Okay? Work is done, but even after applying a lot of force, when there is no movement, no distance, no shape and size is changed, no shape and size was changed in the object, then we call it that no work done. Okay? So, however, work is also said to be done when the force applied of an object, then it changes its shape and size. This is also suppose a rubber ball, when we press it, they will change their shape and size. This is a work. Okay? So work is calculated as the product of force and distance. So work is called the force and distance covered by the force into distance covered. Okay, distance covered by the object. Okay. So we can call easily that work is done only when an object moves toward its force. Okay. So when work is called when an object moves toward its force. Okay. Now student, I am going to explain about the simple machine. So it is very important to learn that is in different activity when any movement is found, that is called work done. Simple machines. Student, simple machines are tools which make our work easier, faster and take less of effort. Simple machines are tools that make our work easier, easier, faster and take less effort and time. Okay, so examples, example KNIFE. Knife is a simple machine which is used for cutting the vegetables, peeling the vegetables also, and for cutting the vegetables also. So knife is very useful. The simple machine make our job easier and faster. It also change the direction of the work. Okay, so force and done work with a less effort and force. The simple machine take very less effort and very less of time and make our work easier. So there are a number of different types of simple machine which are given in your textbook. So turn the page number, next page number 118. There are several types of the simple machine, that is the inclined plane, inclined plane, pulley, wheel and axle, screw, gear, lever, gauge, gear, okay, gear, lever, okay, gear, pulley, screws, gauge, lever, gear, okay. In your book there are 7 types of simple machines are given. So all these are the simple machines. Now I am discussing one by one in your online class. Inclined plane. First is inclined plane. Inclined plane is a simple machine which is used to lift the object from lower surface to the higher surface or vice versa. Suppose this is the plane and this is the inclined plane. Suppose this is the truck and this is the inclined plane. This is the lower surface. This is the HEIG higher surface. So inclined plane, just a inclined plane which is used to lift the heavier object, and also used in the inclined plane also used in the hospitals, in the hilly areas, because in the hilly areas road they are sloping movement. So because it will be reduce the effort to lift the object. Okay. So inclined plane is a flat surface that is higher on one end. Flat surface that is higher in one end. This is the higher. Okay, higher at one place. Inclined plane make the work move things easier. Suppose when we apply force or pull this toward the higher place, this make the easier to lift the object to higher place. Okay, so work of moving things easier. So inclined plane makes work easier. Okay, it move object with a inclined plane. An example of inclined plane is ramp in hospital. In hospital, in the multi-stories building also they are showing, and in road in hilly areas. Okay. So on the hospital or the ramp where it is used in the buildings, it is very easier to move the wheelchair, because it is very difficult to riding on the stairs, but very easy in the ramp. Okay. Now I am going to discuss the lever. Lever is an arm that provides turn an object to its desired place. Second, lever. In lever, generally there are three parts. Suppose this is a rod, they are two ends, and one is the point where the rod moves all around. That is called the fulcrum. Fulcrum. Okay. So the lever needs to be pushed or pulled and make work. It work. Fulcrum. Okay. And one side, that is the load, and that is effort. Okay. So lever need to push or pull to make an object in move. Because without lever we cannot move an object, heavier object on the ground. Okay. So a light switch, scissor, broom, toaster, broom, SCISSOR, scissors, saw, hammer. Okay. Are these example of the lever? Suppose this is a scissor. This is the fulcrum point, FULCRUM, because it moves the lever. This is the, suppose this is the cloth which is used for cutting, that is called a load, and this side we use our effort. No, this is the hammer, suppose. Okay. So this is the use for the getting the rod. It is called the effort, and this place is called fulcrum. Okay, and this is called the load, which is the use. Okay. So in her class, this is divided in three types according to arrangement of the load, fulcrum and effort. But in your class, this is simple. That is lever, which make our work easier. Okay. A light switch, scissor, broom, toaster, handle is the example of the levers, because it makes our work easier. Only. So learn this. Now, the next simple machine I will explain in your next online class. I will send, once again, listen student very carefully. Submit it first of all your book and notebook for correction work. Otherwise, your mark will be not added in your progress report card. Read about work and simple machines. From your test book. Okay? Chapter. I hope student you are all follow my instruction. Thank you. Your class is over.